Today I'll show you how to improve uneven skin tone and make your skin look brighter. Now we'll see how to prepare this mask by using these ingredients. Ingredients: turmeric powder, honey, raw milk. Take an empty bowl. Now we'll see how to prepare this mask by using these three ingredients. Firstly, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of raw milk and 1 teaspoon of honey and quarter of turmeric. In this home remedy, the main ingredients is turmeric. The turmeric is high in antioxidants that slow down cell damage. It's widely used as a skin exfoliant and improves skin's texture. It helps with inflammatory skin conditions such as acne, dry skin, psoriasis and eczema. It helps reduce pigmentation and even up the skin tone. Now mix these all ingredients together to make a smooth, quick paste. Apply it on your face and leave it for about 25 minutes.